currently I'm working on a book that deals with civil rights in the context of healthcare. Since the adoption of the Affordable Care Act, there was a provision that's little known called Section 1557. And Section 1557 really can be seen as the civil rights movement in healthcare of sort of the modern era. Section 1557 bans race, gender, age, and disability discrimination in healthcare. And Section 1557 says that private insurance that now takes federal money, which is most insurers, should not discriminate on the basis of these protected states in the future. For me, it's a way to sort of help people stay up to date with what the most current aspects of the law are, but also to kind of situate it within the broader context of what existing civil rights protections did we have before the Affordable Care Act, why didn't they achieve very much in the context of healthcare, and thus what can we really do with these new protections in the future to really leverage this expanded right. We've known for a number of decades that healthcare providers, health insurers, drug companies, researchers, all have the possibility of either overt discrimination against race, gender, and other groups, or implicit bias. Social scientists have found that being isolated, being stigmatized, being rejected from your society actually makes you less healthy. And so a consequence of that is that we have these groups who end up being sicker. And what do we as a society do about that? And one thing that we can do to kind of level the playing field is to attend to the medical needs that result from wider social discrimination. But we can't do that if we have a discriminatory healthcare system. So I see anti-discrimination in the healthcare context as a prospect for remedying broader social discrimination as well.